Hi everyone, and welcome to Chef Din's cooking tutorials. Here I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. So before we start, please pause the video now and get all the ingredients ready you require to make this dish. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, because then you'll get notified when I post new videos. And so let's not waste any more time and let's cook. But before we do start to cook, it's very important that we get everything ready before we start. When I started cooking these curries for my series, I had to spend good 3 hours getting the base gravy ready, getting the onions ready, and the chicken and all the other bits we need to create all different types of curries. And most importantly as well, we need to get our onions ready as well. There's 3 types of onions what we use in this style of cooking, and that is one, the Balti onions. I call them Balti onions because they are small, and it's what I used when I was making my Baltis back in the 80s. In the restaurant. So we need to get the Balti onions ready. We also need to get the Bhuna onions ready and the Dupiaza onions ready. The Dupiaza onions are mostly used in the Dupiaza dish and also in jal fry. So they are like just boiled and cooked for about I think about 3 or 4 minutes, and that's it, you turn it off. And also the Bhuna onions, which is boiled and cooked for about 10 minutes, then you turn it off. And then you have everything basically ready to start your curries. And all the recipes for the onions you find in the descriptions. I'll leave a link. But also, most important as well, you need the mixed spice. I create my own mixed spice. This is what I used in my restaurant. So it's very simple to make. So get this ready, and then we're all ready to go basically. If you have any queries or any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if I can, I will give you the information you need. So let's not waste any more time now and start cooking our curries. This is going to be Sag Gosht I'm going to cook and show you how to do. First, in a frying pan, add about 3 tablespoons of seasoned oil with a little bit of garlic paste and some green peppers. We're going to just cook it out a little bit here before we add our spinach. To this we're going to add raw leaf spinach. I don't like using pulp spinach, so if you can find fresh spinach or frozen spinach leaf, use that. That's the best one. And I was lucky enough to find some frozen spinach leaf, which really works well with Sag Gosht. So in this, add a little bit of salt as well, and also mixed powder and some Bhuna onions. Remember, you have all the Bhuna onion recipes and so on my channel, or in the description. So add a little bit of chili. I think the chili just gives it a little bit more bite to it. So just give that a good stir before we add our meat. Now, this dish normally takes about, again, probably about 5 to 8 minutes. So as you can see, I'm using a non-stick pan. That's because I didn't have another still pan, because I'm cooking quite a lot of curries today. So what we're going to do is just give this a good stir. We're going to just add some fresh coriander to this and some methi, and then the base gravy. Give it a good stir and let it cook out. It will take about another 5 minutes to cook out and give a nice texture. So I hope you enjoy this Sag Gosht, very popular dish eaten with chapatis or parathas, and let me know in the comments what you think. So bye for now, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and tell your friends, because I want everyone to know how easy to cook Indian curries are. So that's it, my take on Sag Gosht. We'll put that on the side now and let that cook out a little bit. That's a bit more seasoned oil gone in. Okay, bye.